Bibo's Day at the Beach. Today, Bibo the bear, Sarah the sheep, Paulo the pig, and Mino the monkey are going to the beach. But the beach is boring. Is there anything interesting there? Bibo wonders. At the beach, Bibo finds a seashell. It is rough on the outside. I wonder what else we can find, he says as he pops it into his bucket. Mino spots a smooth oval rock with a round hole through the middle. He pops it into Bibo's bucket. Wonderful! Paulo finds a stick. It is wooden and coarse. Paulo pops it into Bibo's bucket as well. Awesome! And Sarah has found a washed-up seaweed. It is stretchy and soft. She also puts it in Bibo's bucket. Superb! Bibo looks inside his beach treasure bucket. The beach isn't boring at all. There are so many exciting things here. I love the beach. Bibo's flower garden. Bibo the bear loves flowers. He has a beautiful flower garden full of different flowers. He wants to make a beautiful bouquet of flowers with his friend Mino the monkey. Bibo looks at the big daisies, yellow in the middle with thin white petals. Mino looks at the carnations in pinks and purples with frilly petals. Bibo sniffs the beautiful yellow and red roses. Bibo studies the yellow daffodils. Mino likes the smell of the violet lavender. They are about to pick the flowers. You should leave them out here for everyone to enjoy, says Sarah the sheep as she walks by. Immediately, Bibo takes out a camera from his pocket. You're right, Sarah. I won't pick flowers. I'll just take beautiful pictures of them.